I endowed this lecture because I wanted to have a legacy for my wife, who was a dedicated teacher, strong researcher, and a wonderful wife and mother. And we've invited prominent scientists from throughout the country who have welcomed the invitation. Most of them have been exposed to City College for the first time and walk away impressed with both the faculty and the student body.
I'm Jo Handelsman. I'm the director of the Wisconsin Institute for Discovery at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. And I'm a microbiologist. I do research on microbes as well as running the Institute for Discovery. I just love meeting with the City College students and faculty. It's just been a very inspiring day.
Hi, my name is Ramella. I'm a senior majoring in biology, and I'm this year's Cosloy Scholar. I am currently doing research in the Emerson lab on the retina, and I hope to continue doing research on the retina and future eye studies as a medical student and as a future physician.
Having spent some time with today's speaker, I'm very, very excited to hear what she has to share with us today and intrigued to figure out what Thor's hammer has to do with the conversation.
But this is the first time that I've gotten to bring in one of my own personal academic heroes, someone I've admired throughout my whole career for her fantastic science and microbiology, but also for her commitment to issues surrounding equity in science, as well as her leadership.
And just an absolute delight and inspiration to be here today and meet your students, your faculty, your leadership, and find out just what an amazing place this is and how it serves students of New York and beyond so exceptionally well. So thank you for the invitation.
So this lecture series actually, in addition to honoring my wife, honors City College.